Hi guys, in this video we're going to talk about the type of carbs to avoid on a ketogenic diet. Okay, normally you need between 20 grams to 50 grams of carbohydrates. The lower, the better. Okay, but when we talk about carbohydrates, we're talking about the net carbohydrates. So if you were to read a label, you get the total carbohydrates, and then you minus the fiber, you get the net carbs. Okay, so that's what you're looking at. You're not looking at just total carbs, you're looking at net carbs. So then we have this other variable of the glycemic index of carbohydrates, which basically is how fast these carbs will raise your blood sugar. Now let's check this out. We have maltodextrin, 110. That's like way too high. Dextrose, 100. Glucose, 100. By the way, dextrose would be like they put that in deli meat, so you have to read the labels. Bagel is 95, very high. Gatorade is 89. Cornflakes, 81. Puff cereal, that so many dieters think that's really good, is an 80. White bread is 72. So then we have something called high fructose corn syrup, which has a glycemic index of 58. Now, if you didn't know about biochemistry, you would think, wow, that's pretty low, I can consume that. But the problem with fructose is it goes after a different pathway into the liver, and it will create diabetes and insulin resistance faster than some of these other sugars. So you want to avoid anything with fructose or corn syrup. But look at this, berries are 30, that's pretty low, that's a lot lower than fruit. Then we have chickpeas, which is 10, that's pretty low. So here's the goal. You want to keep your net carbs between 20 and 50, but you want to also look at your sugars and keep your sugars as low to zero as possible. So what should make up the 20 to 50 grams of carbohydrates? Low glycemic carbohydrates. You should have none of these. You should get your carbohydrates from maybe the little bit of carbohydrate in nuts or in avocados or olives, okay, or berries. Because we're not counting even the vegetable carbohydrates. We need a lot of those. We don't even need to count those. We want to consume more of those. All right? Thanks for watching. Hi guys. Hey, listen, I created a pretty amazing evaluation quiz down below that actually analyzes your symptoms to find the cause, the root cause of all of your symptoms, the most likely cause. So take the quiz now and we'll send you a report.